How to make stickers on Cricut Design Space using an iPhone. Go like, subscribe. You don't like, you ain't right. You don't sub, you a dub. Okay, first off, click on Cricut, then hit New Project. All the way in the bottom, you want to tap Uploads. And you can select from your photo library, browse files, wherever you have it at, or you want to take a photo. Anyway, pick your picture. I'm going to pick these aliens with the brains on top. Alright, so what you want to do is hit remove in the bottom left and then remove the background. Now you hit next. Then you want to make your image more smooth. You hit smooth. If not, then you just hit next, keep it moving. So you want to type in the name of your project, hit print then cut, and then up top on the right you want to hit save. And once you do that, then it's just this screen is gonna pop up, and then this is gonna pop up right here, and you want to choose your image right here, the first one, the alien brains. Hit insert. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a border for it because I don't like it like that. The Cricut just cuts too close to it and it's gonna cut the brains off. So I'll pick a circle, and then I make the circle bigger than the design, and then I pick it white, then I hit edit, arrange, and move the circle to the back. Now the aliens are gonna pop up to the front. So then what you would do is select both of them and then hit actions and slice it. Now when you move the circle out the way and you move the aliens over, you're going to see the silhouette. So now what you would do is put the aliens over the silhouette until you see like a border. And then if you don't like how that looks, what I'm gonna do in a few seconds right now is I'll double the silhouette, I'm gonna duplicate it, and I'm gonna put them together so I can make the border bigger. See, I don't like how it's fitting right there. So then I go right here, duplicate it, and then just make the border bigger. And then you want to select all of them and flatten it out. Hit flatten. Select all of them and hit flatten. So on Cricut Design Space, you can only print and cut 9.25 by 6.75. That's the space that they give you. So what I do is I make a square and I put it to that size, 9.25. You see right here, 9.25 by 6.75. So that way I know what space I have to work with my stickers, and then I won't have to be adjusting and everything. So you got this box right here to work with, the square, whatever you want to call it, and you could fit as many stickers as you could fit in there. You want to put one big sticker, you want to put 10 small stickers, whatever you want to do. So that's what I'm doing right now. Duplicate it, oh yeah, look, I don't like this row, there's some space left. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just add another picture. I don't want to waste this whole paper, so I'm just gonna fill the paper up. You don't want to waste sticker paper. So I select another image, and this one is a square image, so I don't have to do nothing to it. All I have to do is hit next, put the name, superfleamarket.com, superfleamarket.etsy.com. Go make sure you visit if you want to buy some trays or something, rolling trays, I got that available. Anyway, insert this image, then you make it fit in between these aliens, so you can put it anywhere you want to, but I just want it to look like this. And then what I'm going to do is once it fits, it's perfect size, whatever, I'm going to select all of them and I'm going to duplicate them. I'm going to duplicate them right now. See, duplicate it, just line them up like that. And then when I put it in the box, it's still space there. So what I'm gonna do, select another image, and this image is a little messy, so I'm gonna have to clean it up. Now you can learn how to clean up the image too. Not when you remove the background, now all images come out perfect like the aliens did. This one, you see, I have to clean it up. So what I remove some parts and then use the eraser until it's like nice and smooth, because then on the next page we're gonna smoothen it out. Smooth, however you say that. We're gonna make it smoother. All right. So I cleaned it up a little bit. Messed up. Hit back up. Now you hit next and hit smooth. So it could look a little better. Put the name of it. Insert, steps. All right. So what I do is just fill this up because I don't have nothing to put. I don't have no stickers to make. So I'm just gonna fill it up to do whatever. And then I'm gonna use this Kool-Aid Kai right here. This is my nephew, and I put him into the Kool-Aid Man. I'll show you guys how to do that later. You can take somebody's face and put it on another image. Anyway, you saw what I did with the background right there. You already saw that step with the border. So now I did the same thing. See, I duplicated the silhouette, and so it could fit perfectly into the silhouette or the border, whatever you want to call it, background, whatever. So you see that on the left, on his foot, his right foot, my left, when you're looking at the screen, I don't like how it looks right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get like a little circle after I finish moving him around, dancing around, whatever. Okay, I get a circle and I just put it there and weld it together. You can hit weld, see actions, weld, now it's all together, see? You see how it looks now? It's like more curved, it looks like actual foot now. Kool-Aid Man foot, whatever you wanna call it. So then, now I have to arrange it, move him to the front. because he was back there hiding on the corner. So I put him in the front right there. And then what's next? What am I gonna do next? Oh, you have to remove the box, square, whatever you want to call it, out the way, and then you select all of them and you attach, so they can all stay in the same page. Edit. Oh wait, no, I resized it right here, so because I still had like half an inch left, whatever. So select them all, attach, hit next. There we go. But I made one mistake, and I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. Look right there, printed it out. Nice. Oh, and this damn, what you call it, Cricut mat? Yeah, I only bought one Cricut mat. It came with the Cricut. I never bought anything else again. I know I'm gonna show you guys how to clean it in another video. But anyway, right now, next you have to connect it to the Bluetooth. Hit printable sticker paper. You have to. I keep mine on custom right there, as you can see. Hit these little flashing arrows. Then hit the C, and then it will start cutting. It will start like it has like a sensor, like a sensor light, and that light is gonna scan the borders right there, the black border around it, and it'll start cutting. And see what happened right here? This is what I messed up. The alien, I forgot to put them all together, so now it's cutting the aliens one by one, which I didn't want that. I wanted to keep them all three together, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. Once this little part is finished, I don't know why it's taking so long. Slow motion right now. I sped it up, slow motion. Just I don't want to keep the whole video was 22 minutes long, and I chopped it up for you guys to 8 minutes. So I hope you guys appreciate that and you learned something today. That's what I'm trying to do, is teach. You feel me? So yeah. So what I do is take a circle, and then I just send it to the back, and you see how it looks like that? I'm like, oh wait, it looks like a little spaceship or something. So like a little UFO. So I'm just gonna make them like stick their legs out and on the bottom, and their brains a little bit on top. So you see how the middle one, I don't like how it looks, because it's like flat, so I want to make it look round like that. So what I did, you know how to do that already. You take a circle, send it to the back, make it white, whatever about, and then you just flatten it all out, just flatten it out, and that's it. See, flatten it out, and that's it. I removed all these because I don't want to print all that and whatever. I'm just gonna make this sticker bigger, and I'm gonna waste a sheet of paper. I really don't care. But if you guys want to save money, you know what to do. So anyway, here we go. You see, let it cut, scanning. Okay, now watch this. This is the moment of truth. Yeah, we did it, guys. Now I hope everybody learned how to print and cut stickers on Cricut. Remember, guys, like, subscribe. You don't like, you ain't right, you don't sub, you're a dub. The superfleamarket.etsy.com, Instagram, the Super Flea Market NYC. Check it out.